What are you doing? What is that?
This penetrating oil.
What are you gonna do with all that?
Anything.
That's too much. One can. Yes, too much. One can.
How many?
One. Go put that back.
I know,
we got one out already.
It's been sitting outside since Columbus found America.
Are you gonna dip the whole car in it? Go put it back. Come on, let's go. Let's
How many
hurry.
cans?
One.
How many? Alright.
Alright. What's in the box? I thought you put it back.
No, these are tools.
Oh, you got tools in the box?
Yeah.
You brought a screwdriver for that head.
Hey, come
Right.
on. Now, if we can't get the headlights off this one car, do we have another car that has these headlights?
Yeah, I think there's more than one.
Yeah, we got that 46 Ford too, right?
We'll try it. Let's go give it a try.
Let's go.
Want to see this thing take off?
Let's do it.
Ready? I did it. It was good. See that? It's right here.
Now where'd it go? There it is. Hey, look. That is.
Huh?
That must be a view. You want to know something?
Why do I want to know?
This is my
Don't say it.
third grade teacher's house.
You
and,
say that every time she's getting a new roof.
Oh, whoa. Did she get a raise or something?
What's up, pal?
Who the hell is that?
I have no idea. See, the thing is, I'm trying to do a new thing because everybody says that I look like I'm mad all the time and all that stuff. So I'm trying to be like more happier, and I'm trying to, you know what I mean? Trying to go forward. Don't forget, I come from a business that I used to work on cars for insurance companies and stuff like that. It's not exactly easy at all in the auto body business. So I'm trying to change. I'm trying to be a better me. I'm reading a book on it. I just started. You gotta stop, smile.
What page are you on?
Table of content. I didn't get any further yet. So when I see a room full of Mexicans, because they're nailing the stuff down, I'm trying to be nice. I said hello, see? And they all said hello back. So this might be something new, something good that I'm doing. You know, one day at a time, real nice and slow. I have what it takes to change. Okay, are you ready?
Where are the cars?
I think a tree fell.
We gotta go get these cars. All right.
Go take care of this. And there it is.
Oh man, did the tree fall on the other car?
No, it's just overgrown.
No. Oh my God, the fender's all squished. Okay.
Don't tell me the tree fell off. No, it's just leaves everywhere.
All right.
Okay.
Well, we're done.
Come on. Don't worry about it. Take it
I
off.
don't want to get stung by another bee.
Come on, there's fleas over here. It's a fly. Come on, please hurry.
And now I can use it on my Chevy. Still not driving because I don't have blinkers, but yeah. Hey, that's like the Chinese food people, how they eat food, isn't it? With the clamps.
Beans that are empty got ripped off. And there you go. La-da-dee-da-dee-da.
What's the matter? What do you hear?
I heard like a flat tire. I got a flat.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, I know what I heard. I don't have a flat.
Are you sure?
You hear it? Can you see if I got a loose wheel? Get out for a second.
What?
You hear anything? What? What are you laughing at?
Nothing.
Were you doing something? What were you doing? Were you banging on the door? Oh, it was you? That's what it is?
What?
Always fooling around, right? All right, I know. That's enough. Stop. I know it's you.
I
Huh?
got a funny mind sometimes.
You're banging on the door. Look at this. Can you imagine? Made me go crazy. I stopped 3 times. I got out the book and everything. And I saw you in the mirror when you were outside the car.
Oh, that was good. That was good.
Go. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hey, don't burn out. That's my wife over there. And she was going to go feed this fat little cat I have. I'm going to turn around. Catch that.
You think you can get up that?
I don't think so.
Try. Yeah, try here.
Right here? You think I can get up this hill? I'm going to rip my bumper off again. I can get up there. My bumper bending? All right, ready? Here we go. Ready? I think I can get up there backwards. It's got a lot of grip. Okay, time to go home. Let's go. Hey, look, it came on. Shut it off. I guess it's good.
Hey, I gotta see this thing.
Go ahead. I think it's burning out as we sit here. Just like smoking it.
Now we get new ones because,
Is it smoky inside?
yeah.
And that's why you buy new parts instead of old junk, because see how foggy it is inside? It just went bad. See how all the haze inside is in the process of burning out. With that being said, used parts, usually this is how we turn out. Here you go. It's garbage.
Now let me pull this forward.
All I can tell you is taking over the world on a hot, hot day.